Click on the link below to get price. The Majestic Prefab Fireplace Door is a remarkable addition for anyone looking to enhance the aesthetic and functionality of their fireplace. This product comes with a sleek frame included, making installation a straightforward process that can elevate any room's ambience. One of the standout features of this fireplace door is its construction quality. Made from durable materials, it promises resilience against heat and wear, ensuring you won't need to replace it anytime soon. Installation is incredibly user-friendly. The package includes clear instructions, which demystify the process even for those who might not consider themselves handy. With just basic tools, you can complete the installation in a matter of minutes, significantly reducing the hassle often associated with home improvement projects. The seamless integration of the door with the fireplace gives a polished look that complements any decor style, from rustic to modern. In terms of functionality, this fireplace door excels in enhancing safety by preventing sparks and embers from escaping, thus reducing the risk of fire hazards. Additionally, it acts as an effective barrier against drafts when the fireplace is not in use. This dual functionality not only promotes safety but also improves energy efficiency in your home, making it a smart investment. The aesthetic appeal of the Majestic Prefab Fireplace Door cannot be overlooked. Available in multiple finishes, it allows you to customize the look to fit your personal style and the overall theme of your living space. Whether you choose a classic black or a contemporary brushed nickel, it adds a touch of elegance. On the downside, some users might find the initial cost slightly higher compared to basic fireplace screens. However, the quality, durability, and the sophisticated look justify the price. Overall, the Majestic Prefab Fireplace Door is a worthwhile investment that enhances both the beauty and safety of your fireplace while ensuring ease of installation and maintenance. This is a product that successfully marries functionality with style, making it a must-have for any fireplace owner.